Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we are going to talk about, can Bitcoin go to 20K? If you're new to my live stream, I suggest you to hit that subscribe button right now, especially if you want a guy that's been dealing with the markets, financial markets, going on for 12 years. Going on 12 years. I trade full time for a living. I day trade the financial markets, also swing trade crypto by looking at the charts, only the charts. Really don't care about news. I'm quite sure if you've been through or you've been with crypto, especially this last past year, right? We all know that news didn't really help any coin out. So charts are the only way to look at the facts. So if you want to learn more about that definitely hit that subscribe button. We're going to answer some questions today, look over some charts, and we go from there. Of course, I'm not giving anyone a financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. Also, for you guys that's watching that replay, you can actually speed up the time by hitting 1.5 or 2. Okay. You can actually turn a 30-minute video into a 15-minute video, or an hour video into a half an hour video. So you can do that. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see anybody on the live stream so far. I decided to go live during the afternoon because I know some of you guys, the time zone for some of you guys are different. So let me see who I have in the building. What's going on, JA? What's going on, NN? What's going on, Keith? Good to see you guys here. All right. What's going on, MK Valley? All right. So I'm quite sure more people is gonna come in later on, and I'm going to just wait for those guys. But let's go over coin market cap. Right now, 263 billion. Bitcoin dominance is still at 55%. We have a couple of coins that went up a little decent, right? Went up a decent amount. But overall, things are still steady. It's not really going anywhere. We're waiting for that move to the upside. Because right now it looks like the buyers are in control. Okay, now if we get sells, if the sellers come in, then we have to look at the market and make sure it wants to still go down. Go up. All right, but right now I'm looking for those up moves. Bitcoin looks like it's still holding its price good. I want to see if they want to pop this out like this, a straight pop, or are they going to do it in slow motion? If they do it in slow motion, most likely that's not a good sign. I would like to see another pop up, but we'll see. We will see. Let's see. On a 4-hour, we are definitely making higher lows, right? And it looks like they want to retest somewhere around here, right? I know some of you guys probably thought this was some type of head and shoulders, and I told you guys, no, I don't see a head and shoulders on this right here. Okay, anything is possible, but right now, I told you guys before, I'm only looking to buy, not really looking to go against the short-term momentum. Doesn't even make any sense right now. So let's see if I see who's in the building. If you guys have questions, definitely type it in. We all know that this is a live stream that have you guys, interact with you guys. And I definitely answered some questions. So let's see if I see any questions so far. We have 18 people listening. Let me see here what I see so far. Actually, let me look at some more charts before we go to the questions. Litecoin is still looking a little bullish. We have a little selling going on, but not that much. Okay, not that much. Little selling going on, but not that much. So we will see if more sellers will come, but it's not right now. It looks like nothing to worry about. Let's see with Tron. We had Tron is basically trying to make another move to the upside. Most likely, probably will make another high. That's what it looks like. XRP, of course, lagging once again, but it does definitely has potential to go up and make that new high. We had that BSV popping. Okay, nice little pop today. It looks like it's maybe trying to make a new high. So we just have to see what's going on with BNB real quick. Alright, so this actually looks like it's ready to make that new high real soon. Alright. So next week might be the week where we might see something crazy. Alright, so let's see here. MK Valley. We went to moon, right? Already 50K. We went to the moon, right? We already on 50K. I'm not too sure if I understand what you're trying to say here. All right, let me know. Good afternoon, NN. Keith, Boop, what's going on? Leonard said hodling to 100K. Can you let people know why you are hodling to 100K? Let people know why. Litecoin having an event. Got Litecoin on fire. Told you don't sleep on the news. I also been accumulating near $1 and Google just announced partnership. You said don't sleep on the news. First of all, you don't have to watch the news. I'm looking at the chart and I tell you that Litecoin is a beast right now. Okay, we've been talking about Litecoin is beasting. So that's before any type of news. It put it like this: if this is going up because of news, that means that you have to watch out when the news hit. Okay, most of you guys don't understand how things work anyway. So you say don't sleep on the news, but what happened to the news last year when most of you guys were buying dips and losing money? What happened to the news then? While we was making money, okay, your guys was losing money, and that's because you was watching the news. Let me see. Hey, good to hear. Yeah, what's going on, boys? Good to hear you, bro. Didn't have the juice to cross the 82 yet. Yeah, it's trying to get there, man. We might pull back, but we'll see. Hey, what's going on, Barbara? What do you think of Pondex, Pondi? Is it on TradingView? Should be on TradingView, right? It looks like it wants to pop up. It definitely looks like it wants to make another high. We had a nice little green bar right today. Okay, so let's see if we can get that continuation. It's not the best looking chart, but at the same time, it does look like it has the potential to make that new high. Is BCH a good buy right now? A lot of these coins are good buys right now, in my opinion. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just saying, to me, it looks to me like a good buy, right? BCH, we talked about this yesterday. Okay. We talked about how this looks like a good buy. I'm just waiting for most of these coins to pop. It popped up today. So all these coins, in my opinion, looks like it wants to make a new high. Okay, will it pull back or could it pull back? Yeah, I mean, anything is possible, but why would you think that way if the chart is not telling you that right now? All right, let me see. Do you think XRP will hit 50 cents anytime soon? I mean, XRP is a lagger, so it's very hard to say soon. Even if Bitcoin decides to go up, XRP is probably still going to lag. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, it could probably hit 50 cents, depending on what Bitcoin going to do. Probably next couple of weeks, maybe. It's a possibility, because XRP has been lagging. Okay, let's see what's going on here in the comment section, guys. Yes, and said hit those likes. Yeah, hit moon those likes, guys. Okay, hit those likes. Your finger is not going to fall off. All right, your finger is not going to fall off, so make sure you hit those likes. Leslie Savage, what's going on here? Good to see you, bro. I didn't see you in a minute, man. What's going on, Savage? I ain't see you in a minute, bro. Lennon, are you still here? Lennon said he's hodling to 100K. You left the building, Lennon? Explain to the people why 100K is the magic number. I want to hear your thoughts, because I want to respond to that. And guys, I want to see something right now. Anybody wants to call in real quick? I want to see if this works. I have a Google voice number. And I want to see if this thing could work on a chat room. So if anybody wants to call in real quick, here's the number real quick. That's the number. If anybody wants to call in, let me see if this thing works. Okay, I'm not, and when you call in, okay, you can, call in real quick. It's not going to be us, talking for a long time. It's just whatever question you have, or you just want to say what's up, okay? But I just want to see if this thing is going to work. So if you guys want to call in, you can go ahead. In the meantime, let's look at some more questions. What do you think about BSV? Well, I wish you. I hope you looked at the video yesterday. I told you guys, man, all this stuff looks good. Anything that was lagging, that looks good. Okay, before we had the pop, I told you guys all this stuff looks good for a buy. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. course. I'm just saying, to me, it looks like a buy, right? It was best for you to get in right here. You would have been in profit right now. You've been in profit right now if you got in yesterday. All right, so let's go back to the questions here. Did Leonard went away? So Leonard went away. So let me just go back to Leonard commented. Leonard said he's hodling to 100K. I don't know if he was serious. I don't know. He left. I'm trying to ask him. Hey man, what's going on? But anyway, let me go back to that. So for all you guys that have this imaginary number in your head, I really want to help you guys out and help you realize that number is just a number, okay? It doesn't exist. And you're listening to too much hype and too much news or YouTubers, okay? You don't know what Bitcoin is going to do in the future. If you want to hodl, you can go ahead and hodl, but you shouldn't have a set number. Okay? What if let me explain something to you guys. What if Bitcoin goes to 80K, or actually 999,000? Okay? 999,000, and I'm sorry, not 999,000. What if it goes to 99,000? And it doesn't go to 100K. What happens then? You're going to miss out on all those profits just because you're looking for this imaginary number? What if it goes to 99K and it explodes and crash and goes down and never comes back? So that means that you're not taking profits just because you're looking for this imaginary number. And this is exactly what I'm trying to help you guys out with. Most of you guys are so caught up with some crazy hype, all right? And most of you guys do not like taking profits just because you have this imaginary number in your head. Forget about the future, right? If you have profits, okay, and of course I'm not giving anyone financial advice, but anybody should be booking profits. You should be booking profits, even if it's not the whole thing, okay? Pay yourself. You deserve it. Pay yourself. If you see green, if you see profit, pay yourself. You deserve it. You don't deserve seeing all that stuff, all your profits disappear. All right? You don't deserve seeing profits disappearing. So make sure you learn how to take profits. Anybody want to call in? There's a number below. Anyone wants to call in right now? The number is below. I want to test out something real quick. But anyway, let's go back to these questions here. Let me see. If you choose one skill for swing trading, what would it be? One skill. I mean, Butch, shout out to you. That's a good question, and that's a very good question actually. And I wish I could tell you, okay, work on one thing, but it's not, it doesn't work like that. Okay, swing trading or anything that has to deal with results is based on a combination of things that comes together. All right. It's just like an engine. If you build an engine, let's say that one of your piston rods goes, that the whole engine is going to mess up. Or let's say your spark plug is messed up, your engine is not going to work right. It's not going to run right. So you need everything working right together. You have to have all the pieces together. Okay, so for the most part, you have to have a good system. You have to have patience, right? You have to have you have to learn from your mistakes and practice. Okay, those are the most important things that I can think of right now. Okay, of course, controlling your emotions too. Of course, controlling your emotions. So having the right system, controlling your emotions, practicing, treating this like a business, improving on your mistakes, right? You have to improve. It's like a no-brainer. Like you will definitely become a better trader. But good question, man. Anybody that wants to meet up on Saturday, this Saturday. Okay, come join me. We're going to look at the crypto market live. We're going to look at the charts, look at potential trade setups. I'm going to do Q&A. Come join me. I have a new crypto course that will help you guys out. We're going to go over that. Okay, I told you guys during the live stream, I give you guys the live stream discount. So let's get that out the way actually. So here's that new course right here. All right, here's the link. Let me give you guys the discount first. Here's that live stream discount for you guys that want this. Let me see. Here it is. Press save. Let me refresh this. Here we go. So this is the live stream discount. Okay, and once I go off live, it's going to go back to the regular price. So here's that live stream. Is this new course is about the indicator that I have for you guys. The new indicator I got for you guys. Basically, the new indicator will help you to not force trades. Most of you guys force trades a lot, right? Most of you guys force a lot of trades. So that's the reason why I'm help you guys get this right here. Okay. So if you look at this indicator right here, all right. Basically, when you get these green dots, it's telling you to, it's a possible buy in the market. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys when you get the course. I'm going to show you how to combine price action with the indicator. Okay. And someone actually had asked me, what is it? I think today, can you use this when the market is selling off too? Yes. Okay. If you look at when the market was selling off right here, it gave you the red dots here. Okay, red dots, red dots. Okay, red dots, red dots. Okay, red dots. So if you want to basically understand how to use this and just have it with your trading system, come join me, get the course. We're going to explain everything, right? And basically, I'm going to mentor you guys for I'm going to mentor you guys for 1 month for free. Okay, I'm doing that because I want to help you guys out. So let me put this back to the Chrome. Let me see if I can get this. Hold on. Let's go back to here. So if you want a guide to mentor you, if you want to see how it's possible to actually make more money during a bull market, come get the course, because most people think it's all about hodling. I just showed you those green dots. Imagine you have two ways to get in the market. Okay, one way, if you want to hodl, you can hodl, but the next way is actually helping you build monthly income. Okay, imagine that. Most of you guys only know how to hodl, and when things go south, you're done. You're stuck. You're crying. You're asking me what to do. Oh man, what should I do? Imagine, not worrying about that 100% of the time and just focus on swing trading and focus on extracting money from the markets, weekly and monthly. I want to teach you guys that. So if you want to join me on Saturday, come join me. If you can't make it, you can actually get the recordings. All right, I wanna help you guys out. So here's the link. I don't know if I gave you guys a link. I don't think I gave you guys a link. Here's the link real quick. That's the live stream price. Let me check that out. Let me copy and paste that. All right, so let me see if I see any more questions. I don't want to make this live stream too long. Let's see how much. Yeah, we got 26 minutes in, so I don't want to make it too long. Depending on how I feel, I might do another live stream. Let's see if I see any questions here. Life said, do you think Bitcoin could retrace to 6K if it rejects this area? That's a possibility, but I don't think it will reject this area. But if it rejects this area with a lot of force, yes. All right, so let's get to the question of the day. The question of the day, guys, is can Bitcoin go to 20K this year? Can Bitcoin go to 20K this year? That's the question of the day, right? Can a Bitcoin go to 20K this year? And the answer is no one knows. Right? But if I had to guess, I would say no, because we're gonna probably have to pull back before we get to that 20K mark. All right. So even if we hit the 20K mark, we're gonna probably have to pull back, just to go right back up. Right. Now another thing is, let's say we just blow past this and we hit the 12K mark. Well, I have to see if or how Bitcoin holds that 12K area. All right, that's another thing I would be looking at. So I'll be looking at the 12K area, and I'll be looking at a strong pullback. And if you look at pretty much this the whole move, okay, we've been going, we was going down, and then we all of a sudden reverse. If this was basically based on strong momentum like 2017, right, 2017, then I would say, yeah, it's a possibility we could go up to 20K. But this moment, we was actually going down, and we had to switch momentum. Okay, so it's a difference. When we're going down, then we have to switch. 2017, we were just going up, going up, or going up. So we had a lot of, up momentum, carrying us to that 20K mark. This is just, a reversal, and we might have pullbacks before we even get to, if we get to 20K. No guarantees, right? No guarantees, but if we get to 20K, I believe we had to have some pullbacks. All right, so let's see if I see any more questions before we get out of here. I don't know what's going on with my computer. It is acting up. There you go. Alrighty, so let's see here. And you guys have one more chance to call in. Maybe my later viewers will call in. You guys don't want to call in. Do you? Let me see. What's going on, Ashley? Crypto Corey, what's going on? Was it the possibility of us seeing 20K this year? I'm quite sure you heard my answer. Um, hey, Big Ben, still here, bro. Been busy, work. I'm a trader for life. Yes, man. Shout out to you, bro. Been out of town, also, or working, also. All right, man. Shout out to you, Crypto Curry. You know, hey, man. You whatever pay the bills. You know. Jesus says he's hodling to 100K. I know he's probably joking. Hey Ben, I tried to call you, but no one picked up. Okay, so somebody tried to call. All right. Can you call again? Can you call again? Someone said they tried to call, but I didn't pick up. That's why I'm trying to test out this number. Let me see. I'm gonna make a call right now. Let me call the number. Let's see if it rings. Yeah, I do hear it. See if you can call again. See if you can call again. Whoever called. All right, I think I see a caller right here. 309. Let me see. 309. 309. 309. Are you here? 309. Can you hear me?
Hey, yeah, this is me, Big Ben Keith.
Is Keith?
Yeah, hey, how you doing?
Hey, what's going on, Keith?
All good, man. Yeah, I just sent you a message. I was calling in now.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me make sure the people can hear. Guys, can you let me know if you can hear Keith on the phone? Can you hear Keith on the phone? Let me know.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
But Keith, man, how you doing, bro?
Oh, I'm doing good. I was just looking at the your live stream and get ready to go to work in a little bit. Actually, in about 30 minutes, I'm gonna start getting ready for work.
Okay. Yeah, let the people know, man, cause you've been following me for a long time, and you've been you got both of my courses, and now you day trading the futures market. Let people know like how you enjoyed the courses and how you enjoy trading in general.
I really like everything about the trade. I started with crypto.
Yeah.
I got your first crypto course,
Mhm.
and I started learning technical analysis that way. And then when you did your day trading course, I got that, and then just studying it, making money, and it really works. So yeah, I'm liking it. All you gotta do is just trust the system and listen to what you say.
Yeah, man. I mean, that's what all about, man. It's all about practicing and basically, putting in that work, right? Putting in that time. Make sure you improve on your mistakes, and you go from there. But good.
Yep, you always say learn, do, and improve, and
Yeah,
that's the
man.
key. You just gotta
that,
stay, keep doing it, and improve. Improve is the key.
yes, it is the key, man. Most people. That's what most people. They lack that improvement. They don't. They learn, right, and some people actually take action. A lot of people don't take action, but some people do take action, right? And then what they mess up on is the improvement part. They don't try to improve on their mistakes, right? So that's the key.
Right.
That's the key, man. So that's good, man. So
Yeah, and
you go ahead.
yeah, and another thing, you can't give up either,
Oh yeah.
because there's gonna be times you're gonna have losses and you're gonna make mistakes, but you just gotta just remember your brain takes time to get all the information down, so you just gotta just stay in the game.
Yeah, man, that's true. That is true, man. Like it takes time for your brain to understand the information, Okay, you can't give up. I mean, like with me, I mean, it took me for at least 8 years to understand all this stuff. So I'm trying to help you guys speed up success, so you don't have to, basically go through what I went through. But thanks a lot, man, for calling in. You heading to work right now?
No, I got about 2 hours, but I
Okay.
usually get ready about one
Okay.
one
Did
thirty
you
Central
did you
Time.
trade today or what?
Yeah, I traded the Nasdaq and
Okay.
I made 260 bucks. So
Nice.
went good. I did a couple of longs and
Okay.
they worked out pretty
All
good.
right. So you made $260. All right.
Yep,
So
like 260
listen,
today.
before we hang up, all right, just to let people know, do you make $260 in one day at your job? That's
No, I make about a hundred and some change.
exactly.
So it takes me about two
and
days to
and
make that.
and
So
it. So how long did you trade for today?
literally it took me about less than 5 minutes to make what I made.
5 minutes, guys. You hear that? 5 minutes, and now he said that if he has to make that, he probably has to work maybe 2 days, right? So, guys, this because I remember him. You messaged me. Well, I think it was last week. You told me, man, it's paying off, man. It's paying off. All those times I put in, I was studying the course. It's finally paying off. So,
Yep.
guys, that's what it's at. So thanks a lot for calling in, man, Keith. Appreciate it.
Yeah, it's good. It was good talking to you for the first
Yeah, I know,
time,
right?
and
For the
just
first
want to
time.
say that.
For the first time, bro.
Yeah,
All right, man.
yeah,
Take
and
care, bro.
have a good stream. Yeah, everybody take care. Talk to you
All right,
later.
man. Take it easy.
All right, bye.
All right, guys. There you have it. Keith called in. Leslie Savage said Savage said he tried to call in, but he didn't get through. But we can actually continue this probably later on today. I'm going to get out of here soon. What I'm going to do is, let's see if I see one more question before I get out of here. Let me see. You prefer more long or short? I mean, honestly, I'd rather go short because the moves happen quicker a lot of times. But I'll go long too. It's nothing, you know. If the market's giving money, then it is what it is, right? Bush said, I can't wait for the live session. Yeah, man. Let me see here. What's up? What's going on, May 10? You said, yo, this guy's amazing, man. Shout out to you. And shout out to Keith for calling in. I appreciate it. And if anybody want to call in, I'll probably do another live stream later on today. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not too sure. But depending on if I feel like it, you guys can call in. I'm trying to have this, a show where we can call in and, interact together. But guys, thanks a lot. Hit those like buttons. Hit those like buttons before you get out of here. If you want to hang out with me on Saturday and learn how to basically understand the market and make money from the markets, get this course right here. Actually, I'm giving you guys a discount on live stream. So I'm gonna leave that up, for half an hour before after the live stream. That price is gonna be up for half an hour. Take advantage of that. If you have any questions, you can email me. My email address is in the description. Talk to you guys later. And please, guys, make sure you study, practice, improve. Study, practice, improve. Okay? Make sure you grow as a person. I'll talk to you guys later and have a great day.